Hello, welcome to Python code series. So you can see a piece of Python code. So I request you to first try this piece of code in Colab. So you can try this code in Colab, then see this explanation for this code. So in this code, you can see for the first line, I is the variable which is assigned value 1, and while true, this is my infinite loop. So this is the block of my loop which is infinite until I put a break statement. So my value of I is 1. So this will come to the second line. Then this will come to the third line. This is a conditional statement. So we can see this I is equals to 1. So I modulus 3, which means when 1 is divided by 3, remainder is 1. So this modulus sign checks for the remainder. So since the remainder is coming out to be 1, so this the output of this conditional statement is false. So this block will not work. So this control will come to this the statement print. So the value of I, which is 1, will be printed, and then there is an increment of value 1 in the I. Now value of I will become 2. So now when value become 2, the control will go to this condition, and this is true. It will come to the next statement in the block of while loop. So I modulus, which is 2 divided by 3, the remainder is 2. So it is not non-zero. So this condition is false. It will come to this statement. This if statement will not work because this condition is false. So it will come to this and it will print 2, which is the value of I. Now again there is an increment of 1 in the variable I. Now my I will become 3. Now the control will go to this and it will come to this inside the block of while loop. Now 3 divided by 3 gives the remainder 0, which is true. So this block of this if loop, this is my block of if loop, will run, we just break the infinite while loop. So this loop will get break and my output will be 1 and 2 only. So thanks for watching.